Hello students, today we are going to discuss about structures. So this is a topic summary of previous topic, that is structures, and we have discussed about the structures syntax. So we define a structure before using the structure. So this is a structure definition and this is a structure example. So this is a syntax of the structure, students. We use the structure keyword followed by structure name, and within this we give the data type members, and this is an example how we declare the structure. So this is an employee structure with all the different variables. We can use character, integer, float, all different types of variables can be put together into one structure. So today's topic is about pointers. So lecture level learning outcome. After completion of this lecture, you will be able to write a program using pointers. So pointer is a reference to another variable, that is, it will be referring to the memory of the particular variable, and it is used to remember a particular member of a group. Example, as an array, it can remember the address location of a function or a variable or a simple array, and it is also used in dynamic memory allocation. And pointers will also helpful to create complex data structures like linked lists, stacks, queues, and trees, etc. So this is a notation how we declare the pointer. We use star operator, that is, which is called as indirection operator, to denote a pointer, and that pointer will be assigned with this address operator of a particular variable. And pointers can also be created along with the return type, and void pointers can also be created, which we denote using the keyword void. And this can be used along with arrays, and these are also useful in the creation of dynamic memory allocation. And dynamic memory allocation will be created using malloc, calloc, realloc functions, and even for the free of the memory. So this is a basic notation, students. We declare this is a variable, and we declare a pointer into star p, whose value is assigned with the address of a variable v. So declaration and initialization is done at the same time here. So v is the variable, p will store the address of this particular variable. So address of this variable is 101. So it will be storing the address of that variable as 101. So whenever you print p, so it will print the address of the variable, that is 101. If you want to address maybe some 1000, so that will be printed as address. And if you want to access the value of a variable v, then we need to print star p, and simply if you print p, it will return the address of v. If you try to print with the star p notation, it will print the value of the particular variable v. So students, let us see a small query. Prior to using a pointer variable, it should be initialized, declared both a and c and d. So pause your video and try to analyze what is the answer for the students. So let us check this answer. So answer is A and C. So we can both declare and initialization can be done before using it. So in the previous example we have seen declaration and initialization is done simultaneously. So before using a particular pointer variable, you need to do these two things. So answer is C. Okay, if your answer is correct, go to the next slide. Otherwise, go through the video once again. Lecture level learning outcome. After completion of this lecture, you will be able to write a program using structures to create a database. Like example, a database can be like a creation of a student bus pass or student related data or an employee related data. So this is one example. So summary of this particular topic. So we have seen that pointers can be used as a reference to the memory address of a particular variable, and it contains a representation of the address of another variable. So lecture outcome revisited. Students will be able to develop programs using pointers, and this is a sample question, that is lecture level problem. Write a C program to display student details using pointers. So you can display the student name, roll number, branch, etc. using pointers. And this is a tutorial question related to the pointer concept related to this week. So you can go through these tutorial questions, which is also posted in courseware. Thank you.